15 down here in the quad. That was Bustin, Man, and 57 second stretch of Power Play. Thank God it's Friday edition of Power Play. And right now we're going to move on by I'll be reading your text messages later on. I know you guys are waiting for that part. But in the meantime, let's enjoy the song. Blue Black Belt. Melly, T-Pain and Akon. Text message like Kiwi on Power Play. Friday.
Yung driver pa 5. Tapos yan, oh kasya, 6 kami lahat. 6. Yeah, Tom, you want some water? Huh? You want some water?
No thanks.
Oh, okay. Saan yung ano? Ano pang ito yung Agad, parang Manila. Yeah.
Doon, marapikita natin.
Okay. Eh yung, di ba may ano noon yung carnaval?
Oo, meron din.
Dito?
Nalipat na. Madadaanan na.
Nandito na.
Dito sa loob ng
Dumating na. Pwede na. Oh, October. Ako naman, di ba dati?
Right.
Next year, baka bukas ang gabi.
Bibigyan na yata anak ko sa boses natin.
Are you tired? You play with the kids, huh?
Kaya Chris, tabi mo dyan sa may sunrise, ha?
Sunrise?
Oo, dito.
Sunrise.
Ayan yan, yung may Christmas lights ng ilaw-ilaw dyan.
My God, parang crowded na ulong ko ngayon.
Dito yata sila nakatingin.
O saan? Ano nakatingin sabi mo? Bakit?
Dalang, ha?
Bakit? Ano binit mo yan?